Welcome to HDTV. You now rocking with your boy. In the news today, Amazon reveals over 19,000 workers got COVID-19. Amazon released data Thursday showing that 19,816 employees have tested positive or been presumed positive for COVID-19 since the pandemic began. The online retail behemoth said in a statement that it chose to share the COVID-19 infection rates among Amazon frontline employees and hopes other companies do the same. This is not an arena where companies should compete. This is an arena where companies should help one another. Amazon stated, according to the company's own analysis of 1,372,000 Amazon and Whole Foods Market frontline employees across the country, the 19,816 number is substantially lower than the general population rate, as reported by Johns Hopkins University. Accounting for geography and the age composition of our employees to make the data as accurate as possible, Amazon said it found that the workforce case count would have been 33,952 using the general population rate. Amazon has faced criticism in the past when it comes to COVID-19 and its employees. An NBC report found that a lack of transparency combined with the lack of federal protections for U.S. workers who contract infectious diseases make it nearly impossible to track the spread of COVID-19 at Amazon. Amazon said in a release that it became clear in March that testing employees would be of critical importance and assigned employees from different backgrounds to a team tasked with that mission. In late March, roughly 100 workers at an Amazon warehouse in New York walked off the job, demanding the facility be closed for cleaning after a coworker tested positive for COVID-19, and they be given paid time off. Amazon fired the worker who organized the strike, saying he repeatedly violated the company's social distancing guidelines. The company says it has hired dozens of lab technicians and others to build a world-class laboratory team that is now conducting thousands of tests a day. The team's November goal is growing, the daily testing numbers to reach 50,000 across 650 sites. Amazon says it hopes testing will enable the company to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by asymptomatic carriers. Those who test positive can be quarantined and cared for, and everyone who tests negative can safely do their jobs without the risk of infecting others. Amazon said in the news release, Amazon says it provides comprehensive health insurance from their first day on the job and paid time off to any employee who needs to be quarantined or receive treatment. New sanitation procedures, the distribution of more than 100 million face masks, staggered break times, and checks are among the more than 150 changes the company says it has implemented since the start of the pandemic. As of Thursday, there were more than 207,000 deaths from over 7.2 million cases of COVID-19 in the U.S., according to Johns Hopkins data. So, do you think Amazon is doing the right thing, or do you think they waited too long to actually talk about this, to actually address the issue? To me, the workplace, you have to clean it off. Me working at UPS, they spray and clean down every day, every morning, every night, afternoon. They do it while we're working. Like when we go on break, they come and clean down the whole building. They clean down everything so nobody gets infected. And not a lot of people have been infected. It's been very low, lower than Amazon. So to me, you have to make precautions for your workers, because right now you're forcing people to work in this pandemic, which I don't understand why. Like, we all should have had paid time off, but that's just not how the world works. We're slave to the dollar. So we have to go in and risk our lives every day. I have to risk my life to delivering packages, and it's tough, man, because I have a mother that lives with me that's older. that's in her 70s, and it's very scary, man, that I want to make sure that she doesn't get sick, and it's sad because I worry about that every day. So those Amazon workers, I feel for them because they have to go to a facility, and at first, they weren't taking the precautions. Now I believe they're putting in action, and they're trying to help them. They're trying to they're trying to get them to they're trying to let them know that it's safe and it's okay to work around here. But it's tough, man. Like I'm glad they're taking better precautions. Let me know what you think. Do you think that the businesses, how they reopen, was it too soon? Do you think that this pandemic is going to get worse, or do you feel it's going to get better? I think it's going to get worse, man. I think it's going to get worse, and I think it's going to be tough on a lot of people, especially when it get cold. It's going to mess a lot of people up, especially older folks. And I just pray for everybody's safety out there. I pray for the workers from Amazon to get better. And they fired the person who started the strike because they were always close to people. They weren't keeping 6 feet. They were violating things. So hey, it happens. But like, comment, subscribe, share this to everyone. Share the video, excuse me, to everyone. Hit the notification bell to select all to receive upcoming information and upcoming content. If you want to donate to the page, cash at me at welcome, the word welcome, the number 2, and then HDIITV. And put down below. I want to know your thoughts. Do you feel that we open too soon? Do you think this pandemic's going to get, well, the first question is, do you think we open the businesses too soon? Second, do you think essential workers should get paid extra for working in this pandemic? Also, do you feel this pandemic is going to get worse? And also, wherever you work at, let me know in the comment section and tell me how you guys are, avoiding COVID-19. How we're avoiding it at my job is they're spraying down, like in the mornings, the afternoon, the evening, as well as when we go on break, they spray everything down. And also they spray the trucks and everything down that we get into before we go out. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you for listening, and we're out. Live, boy.